We are going to do a walkthrough of a 2013 Omal Insert C hinge boring and insertion machine. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. The Insert C drilling and insertion machine is designed to drill and pneumatically insert hinges or other hardware, thus eliminating operator fatigue. This one features an extended table that measures almost 7 feet in length. It includes a back fence on either side, 4 flip stops for repeatability, and 2 pneumatic hold downs. The machine is currently wired for 220 volt 3-phase operation.